Hello everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is How to Make Money Selling Your Own Hair. Keep watching and I will give you my thoughts after the break. Hi everyone, when I created the LearnMoney.io website and the LearnMoney.io playlist on this channel, I didn't anticipate making a video making how to make money selling your own hair. The thought had not even occurred to me, but here we are. If you've not subscribed already, how to make money selling your own hair. If you look after your hair, grow your hair, there are people who like to buy your hair for wigs or for hair extensions. Sometimes they may be wigs for cancer survivors. So lots of people who may be potentially interested in buying your own hair. There are websites that facilitate a meeting place for buyers and sellers of natural human hair. I'm going to open a couple of those websites up now and explain how they work and how the opportunity is there for you to make money selling your own hair. Here's the first website. This website is called Buy and Sell Your Own Hair, buyandSellHair.com, and there's a link in the description. You can sell hair. There's lots of live hair ads at the moment. You can see here, so different range, $250 to $225, $50 to $250, $200 to $350, $1,000. Scrolling right, you can see $750. There are lots of ads. These are just listed. $1,500 there, $800 there, $175 there. Recently sold hair. Let's just see that click through. $1,500 has been sold. $800's gone. $1,200's gone. $600 here. So there's lots of different hair ads, and people are obviously making money from selling their hair. There's a guide on this website. So how to sell your hair. Follow these steps. Register on the site, take the right pictures, liaise with the potential buyer. You'll get payment via PayPal, and then obviously make sure you get payment before you send the hair. So it's all quite straightforward, and it's a good opportunity for those people with long hair, women and men, who want to sell their hair. So that's good. If you didn't want to use this website for some reason, I'm not sponsored. If you did want, there are alternatives available. Let's have a look at the alternatives. Exit here. Here's another website offering the same service, buy and sell hair online, called Hair Salon, link in the description. Same sort of thing, ads with people with long hair, and the hair that's not been treated and not been permed or anything is referred to as virgin hair. That's the most highly sought after hair, and then people can use it for wigs, or they can use it for hair extensions. There's a lot of there are a lot of ads, and there's a lot of scope for people to sell their hair, the different types of hair. I haven't seen so many ads for Afro hair, but it is available, and there are websites that cater to selling Afro hair as well. And these websites that I've mentioned also will sell Afro hair. You can see that it's listed there by ethnicity. You can search by ethnicity and find hair of different types. It's not all Caucasian hair. So you can make money selling your own hair. So that's great. I mean, obviously guys with short hair like myself, we're not going to make anything out of this, but it's a good opportunity for people with long hair. If for some reason you didn't want to go to these specialist websites, and I think the specialist websites are probably better, you can get less time wasters. So I think you should go to buyandSellHair.com or this one, which was Hair Salon. I think those are probably preferable. But if not, you could also go to like Craigslist, Facebook, eBay, and sell your hair there. I just think the selling process would be a bit more long-winded and wouldn't be as smooth as it is on these two websites, or appears to be on these two websites. So let's go back to my favorite site in this sector, and that's buyandSellHair.com. So it's a good opportunity for those people with long hair to make money from selling it. On LearnMoney.io, both the website and the playlist, I try to bring you new ideas, legitimate ideas of making money. This is not a scam. This is not a survey. You're selling your hair. You're selling your hair. You've probably not thought of that before. I hadn't thought about it. You're selling your hair, and you can make some clean, easy profit from doing that if you've got the right sort of hair, and if your hair is in demand. Hope this video has been useful to you. If you've not subscribed already, Thanks for watching all the way through. Click on one of the 2 screenshots to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.